Hi, this is Terrence with the Forever Fit team. We're going to take you through some leg stretches, and this is Leanne. We're going to take you through a quad stretch, which is located in the front of your leg. Afterwards, we're going to go to a hamstring stretch, which is the back of your leg, and then we're going to finish off with a calf stretch, which is your leg. It is important for you to understand that this is not exercises. These are to get you warmed up. That way you can do the exercises with proper form, technique, and to prevent injury. So now you're going to go ahead and go over to the wall. You're going to put one hand on the wall. With your other hand, you're going to grab your ankle and you're going to take your foot and pull it as close as you can to your butt. Again, this is to demonstrate and stretch out your quadricep. You're going to do it for 20 to 30 seconds on one side, and then you're going to rotate to the other side. Now we're going to go to a hamstring stretch. You're going to make sure that you still have one hand on the wall. You're going to bring the opposite leg forward, and you're going to keep the toe up, and you're going to reach down. As you're doing that, the emphasis is for the back of your leg to stretch out your hamstring. You're going to do this for 20 to 30 seconds as well, and then you're going to rotate to the other side. And then we're going to finish off with a calf stretch. You're going to have both hands on the wall. You're going to slowly walk your feet back. And as you do that, you're going to take one foot, put it over the other, and push that heel into the ground. This is going to stretch out your calf. And we're going to spend 20 to 30 seconds on that side, and then we're going to rotate to the other side. Again, it is good and important to know that these are just to get you warmed up to do your exercises and for injury prevention.